What's up, buds? Welcome to Jay's Tasty Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm making air-fried chicken drumsticks with a bonus. This is air fryer ASMR. Okay, that was just a bonus ASMR. But let's get to this. First, let me open the package. This is a Philips air fryer. Here are the drumsticks, as you may know. Should I put all 4 of them, or should I put 2 at a time?
Do 2 and then do the other 2.
I'll just do...
Okay, I think that would be best.
Actually, we thought this actually came in packages of 5, not 4. I guess we didn't see the 5th one when we bought it.
It's okay.
It's best to poke holes in the chicken just so you know it cooks better. And cooks like actually on the inside. Air fryer is deep frying, but without the oil, or with way less oil.
Very little, yeah.
Either very little or no oil at all.
Yeah. Are you poking the holes deep?
Yep.
It cannot be
as deep as you can, buds.
Okay.
This is actually the Spanish Puerto Rican way of making these, which I'll show you, because my family's Puerto Rican, so we're just gonna do it that way.
Did you do on the other side?
Yep. Be sure to go around all sides, buds. And I'm wearing this trucker hat again, which is my Bitmoji eating, because, you know, it'll be like eating this. She haven't done a cooking video in a while, so I'm glad to be doing another cooking video. I haven't done in like more than a year a cooking video. I think my last one I made coconut flour chocolate chip cookies. I'll leave the link in the description to that video.
So have you ever used an air fryer before?
Never. This is actually my first time using it, but I've seen a lot of them on YouTube videos. I've even seen commercials on TV.
Okay. Did you poke holes on the second one?
Yep, I'm poking them right now.
Deeply?
Yep, as deep as I can.
Be careful.
This part is optional, but it's best to. It's best to poke holes, buds, even though it is optional. So I'm just doing that.
Okay. Would you like to poke holes in the second pair?
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe you can put those back and then pick up the other 2.
Oh yeah. I will be able to tell.
Yeah, you'll tell, because one has holes, the other one doesn't, right? Put those back.
Put these back.
Yeah.
And I guess, you know, they're like, you know, I guess skinnier because the holes have been poked. So poked out some fat. Speaking of fat, there's actually this Fat Boy ice cream I discovered yesterday when food shopping, because I went food shopping yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name?
The brand is called Fat Boy.
That's funny.
I know. The name of the store I got it was, well, that I saw it, I didn't get it, but the store was ShopRite. I heard that's a very nice place. I don't know if you buds are familiar with that place, but it's a nice place. I would recommend you shop there. It's very big.
Yeah. Okay, are you ready to poke the holes in the second one?
Yep.
Or not yet?
I think I'm done with this one, and I'm gonna use the second one.
Okay. Okay. On the other side too?
Yep.
Did you flip it around?
Actually, I think I got all the sides.
Oh, yeah?
Just use this with the serrated knife. Serrated knife is best for meat. So as you can see, some poking going on. So, yep, I think I've pretty much poked them all.
Okay.
So now we have to rub the oil. It's best to use a brush for this. Okay.
You're going to bring the cup close because you're not going to drag all that oil, right?
Yeah.
Right. Very good.
Like this. Right.
Be careful, don't splatter it. Okay, good.
This is vegetable oil I'm using. I didn't measure it.
It's okay.
I think we measured it to half a cup. Yeah, there's half a cup. I just, put it in.
So what you're doing is you're putting the oil on the chicken, but so you don't have to add a lot of oil.
Yeah,
to fry it, right?
Yeah, because with air fryer you either use very little or none at all. But we're just using just enough to coat it. We're just using a thin coating. A thin coating is okay, but not like a whole lot.
Right.
But a thin coating is fine. You could do that. You should. So that adds some flavor. We also have some seasonings here. Which I'll be using after I get this oil on.
Okay.
You actually have to rub the oil first and then put the seasoning. And yeah, do that on both sides. Rub the oil on both sides. Best to use a brush. If not, I guess you could, use your hands.
Oh, that would be messy.
Yeah.
I think brushing would be best.
Yeah, brushing with the brush.
Right.
Now should I put these back and then do the ones I already poked?
Actually, we're gonna pause this 1 second because I'm gonna have
Press
you.
the one with 2 lines.
Okay, I know, honey.
All right, bud. So let's just transfer the ones we did to the plate while I do the other 2, because I'm having 2. So 4. 2 is probably like a good amount.
2 per person, right?
2 per person. Yeah.
So it would be 4. 2 for you and 2 for me. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now again, just repeat the process with every drumstick.
Do
both sides.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe olive oil would be best for this. But vegetable oil is good enough.
Can you have?
Alright, bud. I'm not sure what happened.
I pressed something by mistake. That's what happened, basically. So what we did was, in the meantime, we put the other chicken away, right?
Yeah.
Why?
So it doesn't go bad.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I already covered it. Let me just do it in case I didn't. There you go. As you can see, you could actually see the holes now. So there we go. So we got all of them coated.
Okay, great.
So now I think it's best to wash my hands.
Definitely.
So press pause.
Okay.
Alright, bud. So now we're gonna season it. So actually, instead of putting half a cup of oil into the measuring cup, just put a quarter cup, because then it would just be a waste.
Because you can't use the oil again, because after you've put it with chicken.
So first I'm gonna add some adobo. Careful.
On both sides, right?
Yep, definitely on both sides. Rub it in just so it's all the flavor is even. So it's evenly seasoned.
Don't overdo it though, right?
Well, yeah. But just rub it in so it's even.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe even if you get some on the plate, just rub it in. So that way you don't have to, waste. So yeah, I'm just gonna use 2 seasonings today.
Well, those seasoning have a lot of seasoning in it.
Oh yeah, this season has like everything pretty much. It's pretty much like an everything seasoning.
Right.
So it's really not only 2.
Right.
It's just, you know, a lot of them but combined, so it's one.
Different stuff all together, huh?
Yeah.
Like a mixture?
Yep.
Basically.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Make sure not to overdo it, but be sure to get it even.
On both sides, right?
And yeah, do it on both sides too. Just get it everywhere you can. Again, both sides, of course. So that way it's even. I guess the oil is like to, help the seasoning stick and so it adds a little flavor too.
No, to help it fry, Jason.
Oh yeah, to help it fry.
It's a fryer, remember?
Maybe so it doesn't, well, it fries with air.
But
because
still.
some recipes, you know, like require no oil at all.
Mm-hmm.
Not even a drop.
Oh, okay. Sounds good and healthy, right?
Yeah, but some is, you know, still best to put a little bit. Not as much, but I guess it's still best to put a little bit for some recipes.
Okay.
I guess it depends on the recipe.
I hear you.
There, go heavy, but not too heavy.
Right. Okay, not too much if you're gonna add the other one.
Alright, this one is very similar to adobo, but it's just, a little different. There we go, I actually got it open. Be sure to not do it with the hand you have.
Jason, that one pours out a lot, so be a little, you know.
Yeah,
the holes are bigger on that one.
Oh yeah, so if your holes are like bigger, just do it more gentle.
Right.
The holes are more gentle. You'll have to pour this. Because you don't want to overdose.
Yeah, then it'll taste weird.
Yeah.
Or something.
Yeah, so I just have to do this a little more gently, a little more carefully. Adobo you can pretty much find in the Spanish section of your grocery store. I think a lot of grocery stores should have a Spanish section.
Oh, of course.
I think all pretty much.
There's a lot of Spanish people in New York City.
Oh yeah, because that's where I live. And so yeah, there's a Spanish section and an Asian section in every grocery store.
Mostly, yeah.
Well, mostly every, a Spanish and an Asian.
Yep. There's a lot of Asian people in New York also.
And a lot of Spanish people.
Oh, well, we already said that, but yeah.
Well, in this case, it's Spanish because of the seasonings.
So.
Alright.
Don't go crazy with it. You don't want to overdo it, Jason.
Yeah, I think that's good. I think we're good on the seasoning now.
Okay. So then, you wash your hands and you cover that up. The caps.
Oh yeah. So hang on, just keep it running.
Okay. Yeah. Cool.
Alright, bud. We're now preheating it. It said to preheat it for more than 3 minutes. We just did 4. For this air fryer, it's recommended to do 360 for drumsticks for 15 to 22 minutes.
360 is what, the temperature?
Yeah.
From what time to what time again?
15 to 22 minutes.
Okay, great. Okay, sounds good. 15 to 22 minutes.
So which one will we stick with? That's 15 to 22.
Somewhere in the middle, maybe. Well, I don't know. What do you think? So you want to do 20?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try for 20. How about that?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Look at the buds.
Yeah.
You're looking down. The buds aren't down. The buds are up here.
I'm counting.
Oh, okay. All right, cool.
All right. So we're just gonna wait for that to go off, and then we'll put the chicken in.
Okay. Well, you want to bring the plate to over there?
Oh yeah. Let me start bringing the plate. Here's the plate.
You want to move this air fryer a little bit?
Yeah.
Be careful. Be super careful.
The side might be hot.
Okay, very good.
There you go.
Perfect.
So just be careful.
Don't touch anymore, please. Thank you. Okay. So come closer. I can't have this and that and this if you're not.
I think it's got about 1 or 2 minutes
left to warm up
not that much time
to preheat. Oh,
well,
there you go.
So now just Careful, this part's not hot, so don't worry.
Don't.
This button.
Don't.
You have to, you know,
Be careful
take
with
the
it.
basket out.
No, now you put. No, you. Give me. Thank you. Go ahead. Put the chickens inside.
All right. Careful.
Be careful.
See, that's sizzling.
Already, look at that. So we're gonna do for 20 minutes.
In a
No,
position.
No. You
What?
do one leg that way, like opposite.
Oh, here we go, like this.
Yes.
There we go.
Push it with the other one to the side, sweetheart. There you go. Beautiful. And then do the last one.
Oh yeah, be sure to do that.
And you could do it on top. Look. Lay it flat that way.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
So you could
Perfect.
even do that. Now,
Okay, so
just slide
see, it looks nice.
The basket in.
All right, great. Now we're gonna do that, and
Cook
so we got it for 360.
And
then we decided on 20, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Turn the timer to the 20. Make sure it's on full.
My hands
20.
are a little slippery.
Okay, you need help?
I'm good. I already
Okay.
got it on the 20 mark.
Perfect. So it's cooking.
Yeah,
so we're gonna pause this until it's cooked.
Press pause. All right, buds. This is done cooking. So now we're gonna take it out.
Oh, holy cow! Looks really good.
I know, right?
Oh my god! I want to take 5 pictures of it.
Yeah.
It looks good, honey.
Yeah.
So what are we having this with again?
We're having this with mashed potatoes and corn.
Leave it. Oh yeah. Okay, but we're not gonna record all of that. We're just gonna record the end product. Is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay. So
yeah,
we'll see you in a few.
Yeah, just pause it. Press the one with 2 lines. Alright, buds, here are the finishing products. There's the chicken. We served it with mashed potatoes and corn. This is my first time using the air fryer. I don't know if I said that earlier in the video, but I'll say it again in case I didn't. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe with all notifications on. Be sure to turn on the notifications. And bye. Till next video. Peace.